Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a video carousel and add it to a Shopify store. Let's get started. The video carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the video carousel editor. In the editor, you can edit the video content and add your videos. You can select a layout and customize the video carousel look and feel, and change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the video carousel to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Shopify editor. On the Shopify editor, enter the theme customization under the online store option. Now, you'll need to add a new section or a new block to your page. You can use the inline editor, or you can add a new section at any part of the page on the side panel. Select the Custom Liquid option. Click on the new section or block that was added to the page. Now, in the code window on the side panel, simply paste the code you've copied before and click the Save button to save your changes. And that's it. Now, the video carousel will show on your website.